Hi there. I am not in my thinking chair. I am, however, in the dye lab. And you know what I'm doing? I am getting set up to test for my new colorway called Dark Matter. And do you remember that picture, that stunning picture of that woman that I'm using as my inspiration color? Anyway, so I'm getting set up and I've already got the dye pulled out. So here are the colors I'm going to mix and hopefully come up with something that looks like her skin tone. We'll see. So I already know that I'm missing a color I want to use. It's just a regular violet, not a brilliant violet. So I'm probably going to have to order that. But till then, I can play around with what I've got to see if I can come up with what I'm looking for. So here's the dye. Here's my trusty scale because I'm going to need to measure out 10-gram skeins of of this wool superwash. So it's not a merino. It's just a, I don't know, regular wool. But I like merino. I'm partial to that. I'm partial to a cashmere merino blend. I also like mohair. I'm really a fan of mohair. And I like, you know what I really like? I like the camel hair and silk too. But you know what? I just like fiber. I like it all, right? Whatever. I'm a fiber junkie. So anyway, this is what I'm going to use to measure out 10-gram mini skeins. Then, once I have my mini skeins measured out, my test skeins, hold on. I'm gonna use these to actually do the dye testing. I'll fill these with water and add the dye, mix it up, put in the skeins, let the dye take and rinse and dry, and then I will have something that looks like a color, hopefully like what I'm looking for, but I'll have to test and see. So that's what I'm doing in the dye lab this week. I hope that I have enough of the right colors to come up with my vision. We'll just have to see. Welcome to my dye lab. I cleaned it up a little bit so that it wouldn't be as messy.